Welcome to my page, guys. Welcome back to my page, guys. As you can see, this is another powerful indicator that I want to introduce to you guys. This indicator is very massive, guys. This indicator is very massive. You see, a lot of people that get this particular indicator has been so happy because they are making a daily profit from this indicator, and this indicator does not reprint like what the arrow that you are seeing on the charts. You see this particular arrow. They are not reprint. You see, we have more of it in the charts. It does not reprint. Once it appears, then it's still permanent at that particular pair. So taking this particular trade now, I'm going to explain to you how to take this particular trade, and I'm going to show to you what this particular indicator did yesterday and what it's going to do today. You can see this is the yesterday trade where I marked this particular spot. You can see our trade for yesterday started from this particular zone, and from on the 6th of this month we can see that we have a uptrend that is continuing from that particular day. So this uptrend continue until we have our seventh day, which started from this particular zone. You can see, so starting from on 7th day now, we continue to looking for an update, and we find an update at this particular area. You can see this is an update for us to enter the market for selling zone, and we can see if we enter the market from this particular area, the market keep on floating, and until we have it at this particular zone. This will be our take profit level. For us to identify this as a take profit level, this our thick 9 here, this our light green 9 here is going to touch our resistance level. You can see this is our resistance level, and once it touches this our resistance level, then you can easily take out the market. You can easily take out your profits. Now we are having another update at this particular area on the day on 7th day. And that is the late night of almost 7. You can see this, and this is what is going to happen on the market on 8. Now currently now we have a uptrend at this particular move, and you can see it's going to be on a massive uptrend up to this particular moment. It's still going to be an uptrend in the market. So this is how this indicator works perfectly, guys. It is so massive and it is very, very accurate, guys. So this indicator does not reprint, and you can see this is boom 305-minute time frames, and we can see this is our day 7 that started at this particular area. You can see this, it gives us a down confirmation here, but it does not accurate because this our 9 here have already matched with our resistance level. So what we are going to do now is very simple. Just make sure that you wait until you have another signal at this particular area. You can see we have an uptrend here, and this uptrend go on a massive uptrend up to this particular moment. You can see that now the market reverse again and give us another accurate signal, and this signal is what is continuing from yesterday up to today. You can see it does not give us another confirmation signal currently now. So that is what we are waiting for. So now what we are waiting for now next is to give us another confirmation entry, and then we can easily go along with that particular trend. So this is how this powerful indicator works. So for you to get this indicator, it's very simple. All what you need to do is to follow us and join our Telegram group, and also you will reach the admin, which is me. I will reply to your response. So drop me a message and I will respond to your message. Thanks, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thanks.